Now we see this channel. It's a video made by AI mapping. These videos are inspirational stories about Buddhism, or Einstein's inspirational story, or a motivational statement. So his video is the most popular. It has 2.8 million views. The video has more than 900,000 views, so it can make money from YouTube ads. You can earn more than $4,500 in passive income per month. It makes him $150 a day. A year can be calculated to earn only advertising fees. The payoff can be more than $50,000. How did he make this channel? He didn't show his face, either. I didn't make my own video. You can make such vivid and attractive AI animation videos. Today I will share with you step by step. How does he create these AI animations? If you are interested in today's topic, you can come with me. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel is about making money on AI. The topic of making money online and passive income. If you're interested in this topic, you can subscribe to bookmark my channel. His channel has a total of 105 videos, which is not a lot. The length of each of his videos, it's only about 9 to 11 minutes. We can click on it to turn it on. The most watched video of all time. You can notice that it's all done in the same way. That AI does diagrams. You'll notice that the picture on it doesn't move. It just shows by showing the picture, and it's a process of moving slowly. Add some subtitles. There are also AI human reading sounds and music first. I can show you the full story, so we can pass. AI creation methods to create these images. Go to the front page of my channel. Let's click open. This time I'm sharing this AI toolbox with you. We can go through Leonardo or Midjourney. Mapping tools to create these AI images. We can open Leonardo by clicking on it. Of course, you first need to register an account with Leonardo. We also need to pass writing on Chat. Write a complete story. Inspirational stories about Buddhism. I simply copied his title. Then came Chat. Then I asked him to write a story about this Buddhism, so he can help me. Write a description of the complete story in English. We don't know much about English writing, and my English writing ability is not very strong. We can do this with Chat. All we have to do is copy its contents. To create an AI picture, for example, we can copy it in a sentence. To make a picture, the second sentence is the second picture. Same way, third sentence, third picture. Just copy and paste. Let's copy what we just copied. Coming to Leonardo to choose the third one is the 3D animation mode. We choose this model, then start creating pictures. So, what he created was some animation pictures with strong three-dimensional sense. And here we select a few images that you want to generate. You can take 2 or 4 or 8 or whatever. And then we chose a 16:9 ratio. I'm going to paste what I just said here. Then we can generate your AI picture. Just click generate, and here it will help you intelligently generate your AI picture. It doesn't require you to have any ability to draw or create. I have generated all these images below. You can see the image you just generated. It's a very vivid and clear picture. So this picture, cartoon pictures are many people like to see. So the amount of video you make is very high. In the same way, you can put all this content. Copy and paste the way to create all these pictures. After the creation, of course, we need to put it. There's a download at the bottom of the picture. Download it. If you want to move your pictures, we can also come here and turn the picture into an animation. For this website, and uploaded our pictures here. Let me show you the first picture. As long as you drag the picture up, you can see the whole picture turned into an animation to display it. And then we just need to take this one picture, download it, and then we just need to download this animation. Click to download. Then below you can see you select your download pixel, and then we choose save. You can take all these pictures, turn it into a video. Once you've got all this stuff ready, the software we use is CapCut. It can make a full video of what we just did. We can drag and drop everything we just did into the library. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put these pictures and videos together. Let me copy the first sentence. Now comes the CapCut software. Drag in the video you just made to follow up with a text content. After we click on this is the text content. Click Add and paste that in here. We can adjust the size of its text. We click on this text, then turn the text into a reading. Just click on this to turn text into speech. Then click below to select the sounds you need to say. This includes male and female voices and children's voices. Then feel free to test him. I choose a boy's pronunciation and then hit generate. You'll notice it's a long sound. We can make a new copy of this video. We can make this video longer. Go ahead and make a copy of it. So not the whole length has changed. We can delete this text. Turn this speech into English. We're going to come to this text and we're going to click on this auto-generated text. To click generate can be found. He has already generated the text because we can also put this text. We come here and this is the text setting here. The first button is the basic settings. We choose templates that are in English. So what kind of English template do you prefer? You can choose to use it. You can see it right here. You can do this by selecting different templates. We can see select this template. The effects on display are many. You can notice that basically a piece of this animated video has been created, so other pictures and creative ways. It's all based on the way I just worked it out. You can create it in its entirety. After we create it, we can export it. See a video export in the upper right corner. I want you to give him a name, and then we choose this pixel. You can choose for K if you want more pixels. This is the highest pixel, and then we can export it. And this video was made without a watermark at all. That's why these anim videos are made. This method of doing this is not very simple. You may only need an hour. I can make anim just like him. Video to upload to YouTube. People like him can earn thousands of dollars a month, tens of thousands of dollars a year in passive income. Today's content is about making money for you in AI creation. Making money online helps a little with income. Hope you can make this video for me. Click a free like. If you run into any problems or any suggestions can be let me know in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. If there are new ideas and money ideas, and I will share it with you without reservation. I'll see you next time.